problem has some tricky words for mathematics. They are more and then. Let's read the problem to see if we can figure out what these mean in mathematics. 424 birds at UWC last year were seen on our campus. 213 birds this year so far have been seen on our campus. How many more birds were seen last year than this year? Pause the video and talk about what more than might mean in this mathematical problem. One thing you might have said was that this year it's 213 students, and then there was some more that we still want to see to be able to get to a total of what we got last year is 424 birds. Go ahead and use your place value chart and your base 10 blocks to build this problem. Once you've done that, try your place value disc to check to see if you got the same answer. Pause the video now and build it with both. Okay, let's see how you did. This one was a little trickier. 400, so I'm gonna do 400s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 20, and 4 were seen last year. Now we haven't seen as many birds this year. We know it was 213 that we have seen. So I'm gonna take away 200, a 10, and 3 ones. I can take all those away really easily. So this is how much we've seen this year. How many more do we need to see to have the same as last year? Well, I have 200s, 1 10, and 1 1, so 211. Well, let's try this with our place value discs. The same thing. I had 400, 20, and 4. And this year we've already seen 200 and 110 and 3 ones. So this is what we've seen this year. That means we still need to see 211 more. So I got the answer 211 both times. Now let's go ahead and see how we could draw this with our hundreds, tens, and ones chart. If you haven't done that yet, pause the video and do that. And also write a number, sentence, or equation that might match this problem as well. Okay, well, I know I had 4 hundreds. Oh, but those aren't hundreds. I do discs for hundreds. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 4 ones. And I want to take away 213. Well, let's see. I could take away the 3 here and move those out of the way. And the 110 here I can cross. And 200 more, I can cross those out. So what is left is 200, 110, and 1 1. Well, I know that I started with 424 birds that we saw last year. Then I took away what we've already seen this year, and I got 211. So what symbols would I use for this? Well, 424, take away 213, means I have 211 left. But I think I can also use an AND symbol to show this problem. What can I put together to equal a total? If you're thinking that I had 213 this year, and I still need to see 211 birds to get to the same as last year, which is 424, you are accurate. Let's try another one. The school was taking books for donation. They got 352 books for donation to give away. But 102 books were not in good shape. They were falling apart and could not be used for donation. How many books were in good shape for donation? Use your place value chart and base 10 blocks to solve this problem. Then use your place value discs to check your work again. Pause the video now. Let's see how you did. I know that I need 352 books in total. 352. And 102 were not in good shape. So that means these ones, of those, 102 were not in good shape. I don't need to take away any 10s because there are no 10s in this part of the problem. So if these were not in good shape, that means that these were in good shape for donation. So I see I have 250 and 0, 1. So 250 were in good shape. Let's check it with our place value discs. 350 and 2 were in total. And I know that 102 of them were not in good shape. That means that 250, I got 250 again and no 1s. How can I draw this in a part whole and a place value chart? Go ahead and pause the video and draw those models now. If you have time, write a number sentence or equation that matches the problem. Pause the video now. Okay, well, I know that not in good shape, the N for not, was 102 books, and when I solved it, I got the how many were in good shape, G for good, and I know that the total was 352. So this is what I was figuring out today, and I can draw my discs on my hundreds, tens, and ones to check it. So I had 3 hundreds, 5 tens, and 2 ones. And 102 of those were not in good shape. So let's cross out 102. 102. Those were not in good shape. We had to throw them out and recycle them. So I had 0 ones left, 5 tens left, and 2 hundreds left. That means 250 were in great shape. What number sentence or equation did you write? I can think of some where we can use and some where we can use take away. Let's think about it. If I use my number bond, I know that first I had 352 books, and then 102 of them had to be taken away because they were not in good shape, and 250 were left in great shape. Or I could say 102 not in good shape and 250 in good shape meant that altogether 352 books were donated.